To remove an app from the Kids app home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap add and edit apps. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Long tap the app you like to remove. Tap delete icon and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, now the selected app is no longer displayed on the Kids app home screen. Given to the function, you can do this if you no longer want your kid to be able to use a certain app while they are using your phone in kids mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.